Alright guys, so we're on a 2018 EcoSport. We're out here at the Ford dealership. I can't tell you which one because my local competition would flip out. So just to confirm here, we are 18 EcoSport here, and it is a push button start. So first what you're going to want to do is open the module, plug the blue connector in, make sure the toggle switch is in the off position. Okay, so here's our harness and module. You're going to come down here by the kick panel. You see the OBD2 right on the back side of it is the connector that we're going to plug our harness into. So let me do that. I'll show you what it looks like. So we got our harness plugged in to the factory connector there. We're going to take our female end here and plug it directly in the back of this. Alright, so to program the module, there's a little button on the side here. You're going to push and hold it. You're going to flip the toggle switch on. This light will turn orange. When it does, go ahead and release it, and now it will turn red. It's hard to tell the color, guys, on the camera, but that is a red light. So now, reach up and push your start-stop button on the dash one time. So I just pushed it. This is going to blink for a few seconds, and then we're waiting for the solid green light, which means it's programmed, and then the light's going to turn off. And there we go. So hit your button on the dash again to turn the ignition off. Grab your remote here, and we're going to tap lock 3 times. You'll see this light go through its cycle, and we're running. That's all there is to it. You guys can hit the brake to turn it off, or go ahead and hit the lock button 3 more times, and we're off. And you'll hear a couple clicks here, which means that the remote start is deactivated. And that's all there is to it, you guys, on the push button EcoSport. Same process on the key start EcoSport. However, you're going to have to make sure that the instrument cluster says hood ajar when you open the hood prior to installing this. If you guys don't have the hood pin, this will program, but it will not start because the module does not see that the hood is closed. With our lock kit, come in here to the gear icon, and you're going to use the buttons right here on the dash. Arrow to the right to get you into the settings options. Go down to vehicle setting, tap the OK button, and you can go down, and now we have remote start settings that are populated in the menu, and you can change duration, climate settings, heated seats, and steering wheel if you guys have that available. The systems box right here, like I said, this will only pop up after you put our kit in, so if this box is unchecked, your remote start from your key fob becomes inactive. So you can treat this as if you're going into service, you can uncheck that box. It will kill the remote start, and then you can put it back. So you're not going to have these settings with our no honk kit, and you will not have these settings prior to installing our kit. So our X3L kit turns that on. Alright guys, so after you remote start it, you're going to walk out to it, push unlock, jump in, close the door, and you're going to either put your key in the ignition and turn it on, and then you can hit the brake, pull it out of park, or you're going to go ahead and push the button one time. So go ahead and put it in, and we're good to go.